Hey guys, Greg Alexander. So day one of practice for the Onieda Bass Open is in the books. I didn't get here today till about 10:30, 11 o'clock. So I fished till 6:15 this evening. I had 8 keeper bites, fishing from 20 foot of water to 1 foot of water with an assortment of baits, which I have on the video, and probably had 16 and a quarter, maybe 16 and a half pounds with my best 5 fish, which is respectable for here. Who knows if I could catch those fish again? I have no idea. But we're gonna go out tomorrow and try all new different stuff, techniques, places, and we'll see how it goes, and I'll let you guys know. So stay tuned. Ned rig, same thing I just caught that little one on.
Okay. What color?
It's I don't know, it's like albino or something.
Okay. How big is he?
He's nice.
Small or large?
I'm gonna put him in the boat, maybe. Slippery.
Just by the see you doing anything. How big is he? Hey, sweetheart, you got some fun?
Let me say something to the camera real quick. Nice 2.5 pounder. I just moved out a little deeper than where I was fishing. I was seeing a bunch of fish shallow, but they won't bite. So I moved out in about 12 foot of water from the about 8 foot of water where all the fish were swimming. And I've caught 2 fish now out here, one little one and that nice one. Got it.
Are you on camera?
Should be. Right here on my radio.
Yeah, you and your partner can't use a net. Yeah, they're hot.
Let's see what happens here with this guy. Get in or not. He ain't as big as I thought he was, but he's fighting like a big one, for crying out loud. Come here. He ain't big.
Party, someone. Can you tell your friends to come over here and get in the live well on Thursday and Friday, and then they can come back home? Okay?
They call it the pool.
It's a pretty finish.
There you go. That's how you do it. Look out there and just try to jump at it.
Ah, you're beautiful. That's fish.
That's a hammer right there. That's a hammer right there. Let's see what it is. I'm gonna guess. 311.
Hi.
He's 4 pounds. 4 pounds even.
Can you come on Thursday and Friday, please?
It's the same thing I was catching giants on last year in practice. Thought I could have 20 pounds one day. It's just a white heading super spook. And the big ones were killing it. I thought if I got 5 bites on it last year, I'd catch 20 pounds. And then the wind blew stinking 25 miles an hour out of the east the first day and 25 miles out of the west the second day. Made this unfishable, made my spots unfishable. Hopefully this year we'll have better luck. Big largemouth, probably 3.5 pounds. Yep. Good one too.
Lots of nice fish today.
Yeah, I know. I did that in practice last year. Another real nice fish, flipping really dirt shallow. Flipped another big one up dirt shallow. That puts me over 15 pounds for today. So my best guess so far today, I got about 16.25 pounds. Maybe 2.5. Hey guys, thanks for watching practice day 1 on Oneida Lake Bass Eastern Open 2022. Stay tuned for episode 2, which is going to be practice day number 2, and I'm going to go right on through with you guys and let you see everything that I'm doing. If you're interested in following me on a regular basis, you probably should subscribe and hit the little bell thing, and you'll get alerts when these videos come up on my pre-fishing here and the tournament on Lake Oneida. Thanks for watching.